Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is my cousin Drew.
Yo, it's good.
What's
Good,
Skibidi Toilet, Drew?
It's a toilet with a head in it. And then it goes like, I love Skibidi Toilet. Skibidi Toilet.
Remember not to have children. Welcome to boat day.
Hi everyone.
No, you don't. You like better, no?
Yes. How many do you have now?
I have 42 boyfriends right now.
Yay!
I'm
Don't be
so-
pregnant.
Charlie's taking us to the boat.
You remember to get to the liquor store? No, to the Grove Island Marina. Jenna.
We're on our way. This is our band. He's
Yeah. No, but you.
I'll catch you guys when we're on the boat. You the hottest bitch in this place.
I haven't slept since like Thursday.
Okay, guys, we're back from the boat. Kaylee's driving the boat. Oh, you found it? Kaylee, waiting for Charlie to take us back to his house so Kaylee can grab her car and we can go get food. We're getting our big asses to Chicken Kitchen. Hey guys, we made it to Chicken Kitchen. Kaylee's still eating. I put mine away. And now we head home. Alright guys, I think that's it for boat day and whatever else I put in this. I hope you enjoyed watching. Comment if you think you can tan through self-tanner. I hope you enjoyed it. Bye. Love you. Say bye, Kaylee. Love y'all.
Hey guys, I'm taking over the vlog. I'm gonna do a jump.